In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress on your local computer. In case you want to practice, you can follow up the steps. You come over to the browser and you type wordpress.org/download. You press enter key, then you click download. Make sure save file is selected, then you click OK. Okay, so it downloads to your download folder. Then we'll be making use of WAMP server also. You go to Google, then you type WAMP server 64-bit, because my computer is 64-bit. You select the first link, then you scroll down. If your computer is 32-bit, you make use of this. If it is 64-bit, you make use of this. Mine is 64-bit, so I will click this. Then over here, you select, you can download it directly. You just click this. So you can see your download is starting shortly. Then you click save. Then it downloads to your download folder. Okay, now you can minimize it. I have created a folder for the two softwares I downloaded. It's time for us to install the WAMP server. You just double click on it. English. Next. So you just nest it until you finish. Because I already have it installed on this machine, so I don't have to pass through that process again. Okay. So you extract your WordPress. Extract here. After the extraction, you copy the WordPress folder. You can see these are all the files. You copy it. You go to this PC, local disk. You can see the WAMP 64-bit folder. Double click. Over here, you can just right click and paste it. Okay, as you can see, this is the folder. You can right click and give it a site name, any name you want to give to your site. Okay. Tutorial is okay for me. It's time for us to launch the WAMP server. You can now click here and just type WAMP. Okay. You click on it. You can see the icon. The program is launching. You have to wait for it to turn green. By the time it turns green, you click on it. Then you go to PHP admin. So you give it root. Then password, no password, just click go. So over here, we want to create a database that will host all the files of our website. So what we need to do here is just to create a database. To do that, you click databases. Okay, create database. We can just give it tutorial underscore database underscore database. Okay, click create. That is all we need to do now, but we need to remember this name because we will make use of it during our connection. Okay, after creating the database, you go to the browser, then type localhost/tutorial. Then you press enter key. This is because this site is hosted on this computer. Okay, then you click let's go. Now database name, the name we use to create this database, tutorial database, right? So you make sure you make use of this name. You just copy it to avoid mistake. Copy. Then you paste. Username. your database username. Okay, your database password. We did not use any password over there. Then database host. This computer is the one hosting it, so you can just leave this like this. Then you click submit. Now, all right, Sparky. So which means it's successful. We've succeeded in connecting the WordPress to the database. It's not time for us to install the files on that database. You run the installation and just enter school for learning. You can just put anything there. Then password, make sure you use a very strong password. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just using 123. Okay, very weak. Yes, confirm. You can enter an email. Install. Okay, WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. You click login. Then it's time to use the username and password we just entered. Done. This one, 1, 2, 3. Then you click login. Okay, as you can see, we are at the back end of your website. So this is where you will be working on your website. And when you want to go to your main website, you can now click here and type localhost tutorial. So when you press enter key, this is your site. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and bye for now.